Okay, so we're going to switch gears for a moment now and talk about how you can use video to influence, persuade and close a sale or someone who you're looking to make a new client and bring on board as new business. So if we just think about your video efforts now for a second as a one-to-one endeavor, don't worry about the content that you create for one-to-many and a mass audience. Think more about what can you do with the asset and the means of video to persuade one person to do business with you. Look, a really cool tool that we use, which I'd highly recommend, and there is a free version, is loom.com. Now, it's not the only in its kind, but there's plenty of platforms that do this, where it can allow you to record up to 5 minutes of a shared screen and a picture-in-picture display of your face, narrating on video your proposal and your proposed strategy. So one thing we do with clients is when we propose a strategy, we've had at least one meeting, a discovery meeting with a client. We then progress to creating a proposal, but then we also deliver in conjunction with the proposal a Loom video, which is me or Ben narrating the proposal, why we think it's important, why we think it's going to work, and really talking through each step of the proposal. And it's a really great way to keep your process unique, custom and personalized, and show that you're forward thinking and you're on trend and you're really using the best tools out there to keep your endeavor specific and personalized.